Everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Megan Espinay Vlog. Part 2, my video was cut. So, part 2, it's Megan Espinay Vlog is for today's vlog. Say hello to you all. Hello, everyone. Please like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Espinay Vlog. Go live, live. It's me again, Espinay Vlog. Saying hello to you all. Love you guys. Long time no see. Welcome back to my vlog. It's me again, Espinay Vlog. Saying hello to you all and hello to all my viewers, subscribers. Hello there. Good morning to you all, wherever you are in the whole world. It's me again, Espinay Vlog. Good morning here in the US. It's 9:15. Time check. It's 9:15 here in Maryland, USA. Where's the time? Right there. 9:15 here in Maryland, USA. So 9:15 in the PI, Philippines, and here in America, it's 9:15 in the morning. So 9:15 p.m. in the PI, 9:15 a.m. here. So afternoon somewhere in the UK, wherever you are, be safe as always. Is sunshine outside, very bright. Look at the sunshine out there. It's very bright. So trying to do it against the light. And this is the product. Next to me is my breakfast here next to me, right there. Breakfast next to me, right here. Cheese, everyone. Good vibes only. So let's share my breakfast here. Is 20x uh, collagen chai coffee for 11 and 1 shake mix benefits for perfect for you and your body, for especially your work. So you get two a day, 2 pack a day, one in the morning and then one at night. So take 1 pack before you eat breakfast, and then take another pack before you go to bed. So make sure you eat first before you drink this. You drink this along with your breakfast or midnight snack. So you take this with you anywhere you go. It's perfect. It's good benefit. 11 and 1 shape benefit. So it's good for you. There's lots of benefit in here. It is glutathione and coffee and everything. So there you go. It's a lot of benefit for you. And there you go in the front. So let me know if you want some. You can order it from me and let me know. Enjoy and God bless. And this is the durian cake. Durian cake is durian cake. Smells good. Durian cake. It smells yummy. It is durian cake, perfect for your tea. Look at that. Yummy and delicious. You can do mukbang. Yum. Yummy. We can do mukbang, and this is toasted toasted mamoon. Toasted mamoon cake. Is toasted cake. It's called mamoon in our Filipino. Is mamoon. Toasted mamoon. It means toasted cake. Filipino dialect is mamoon. This is called hopiang durian. Is hopiang durian. Hopia cake is durian cake. Yummy and delicious. So you wanna try? This is yummy. There is like a cake. Yummy and delicious. And let's eat, everyone. Enjoy and God bless. And we're doing the coffee alone. Is 11 shape benefit. Perfect is sugar free. It's not sweet. It's sugar free. And just boil hot water. Put 1 sachet. I just did. Put 1 sachet. And then enjoy. And that's it. And God bless everyone. Thank you for watching. is hello to you all. Good morning. Good morning. It's happy Monday to you all. Say cheese. Happy Monday, everyone. Enjoy my tea. Mmm. Yum, yum, yum. Yummy and delicious. Look at this. Mmm. Yummy. And it's a good benefit. Give you a lot of energy. Um, give you to lose weight. And you see the different after 7 days. See how it could make you skin glow, make you beautiful, and everything, and stress free, and your skin young and beautiful. See, look at me, young and beautiful, because I drink this. Is my 2 days drinking this. Is young and beautiful. Look at this. Make your face glow and anti-aging. See, benefit is anti-aging and make your face beautiful, young, and beautiful, forever young. So like this, forever young. Say, I wanna live forever young, forever young. I wanna live forever young. So, hello everyone. Shout out to you all, and hello to you all. Thank you for watching. It's me again, Espinay Vlog, saying hello to you all. Love you guys. Good vibes only. It is me. It's Pinay Vlog, saying hello to you all. And this is all my backyard here. And cheese to you all. It's me again, Espinay Vlog, saying love you guys. And this is yummy durian cake. Love it. I want to get more. It's yummy. It's delicious. I'm so hungry, everyone. Let's eat, enjoy, and eat breakfast along with the coffee. So, that's like this. Mm. Yummy. Let's eat, everyone. Let's come and join me. Eat breakfast, and it's simple breakfast for me. And healthy and delicious and nutritious, of course. And this durian cake right here. Durian cake is yummy and delicious. Mukbang time. Time to eat. I'm so hungry. Wake up very hungry. Let's eat. There you go. Take one of these every day along with your coffee. 2 of these a day. And you're good. And you give you energy and more energy and make your face glow and young and beautiful. For this is the benefit. So it's a lot of benefits. 11 benefit power of Japan is glutathione. It is 11 in one shape. Imagine, that's a lot of benefit. So there's a lot. There's cha coffee, cha glutathione, and many more. Of course, love this coffee. Enjoy and God bless everyone. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you for watching. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. Say cheese. Love you guys and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you and so long and see you again soon for the next vlog. And see all the thing next to me. Yummy food is yummy is right here. Yummy and delicious. This uh, is durian cake. Durian cake. Yummy and delicious. I love it because it's not sweet. So let's eat perfect for your coffee. So let's enjoy and God bless everyone. So long and see you again soon for next vlog. Please like and share, subscribe, and make a shout out to you all. And thank you for watching. So long and see you again soon for next vlog. Cheers. Love you all.